W4IPC, W2BTK.
There you go. There you go. There you go indeed, laddie. So you put a peak, did you make your own peak kit or what?
Yeah, I did. And you know, I haven't shown that on stream yet. Let me zoomulate the camera on down there. Hopefully I can get a little bit of a view. Let me pull this out off the desk a little. I'm going to do that now. Are you watching, Connor?
I'm watching. I am not listening. I hope you muted, but I am watching.
All right, yeah, so this is my peak reading Wattmeter kit, and this board that I stuck on the back of the meter there, that's my homebrew peak envelope power adapter that I threw together, and that's like a circuit that I found online that I modified a little bit to make it work a little better for what I want to do, and it's pretty accurate, man. I test that against some other stuff that I had, the scope and whatnot, and it works. And as you can see, I do have a forward element in there, and I'm doing so little power that it's not even moving. But if I turn the amplifier on, you will see that move, and I'm not going to tell you what the forward element is in there.
I'm sure it's a 1000H. Yes, the BTK face. Zoom right in on the BTK face. Yeah, I need to get a line section. I do. I need to get a line section so I can start reading my power. I do. Because right now I got this Bird 43 sitting here. Stock. It's more stock than a race car. It's got, let's see, I got 100H slow, 100 watt HS, 250 for, not the spread of movement. 250 for 100 to 250 megahertz, and 25 watt for 200 to 500 megahertz. So, I need to get a line section and some nice meters, and probably 1000H slug, and yeah, we will be good. We shall be good. Very nice homebrew stuff, Billy. Very nice homebrew. What's that, those other 2 meters there, the blue ones, are those not in use?
No, those are in use. So, the one on the right is forward power, the one on the left is reflected power, and they both read average power, not peak. So when I want to adjust my carrier, I take a look at this forward power meter, and then this reflected power meter, we all know what that does. But the good thing about these blue meters, and the reason why I use them, is because they see these little buttons here. I can set a level for if my reflected power goes over a certain amount, it will unkey everything. It puts me off the air until I hit this big red reset button right there after I fix whatever problem was happening. So I can also set a forward power, trip, so that if I go over a certain level by accident, it won't, hurt anything. It'll just say, no, I'm not going to let you do that. But that doesn't work as well. I haven't gotten it quite working well. I get a lot of false trip outs with that. So I have to take a look at why that's happening. But at least the High SWR cutoff feature is working. And if I go over a certain amount, it just unkeys it and saves the tube. So there you go.
Yeah, there you go. There's some